Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get zero point 0.5 camera on Snapchat. Snapchat on Android now supports an ultra-wide camera option on selected devices, allowing you to capture photos and videos using a 0.5x zoom for a wider field of view. This feature is currently available on supported flagship phones, including newer Samsung Galaxy S series models, recent Google Pixel devices, and select OnePlus phones. If your device supports it, simply open the Snapchat camera and either pinch outward on the screen or tap the 0.5x icon to switch to the ultra-wide lens. Keep in mind, this option is not yet available on all Android phones, and many mid-range or older models may only offer standard or digitally cropped views. To maximize your chances of accessing the zero point 0.5 camera, make sure Snapchat is fully updated from the Play Store and that your phone is running a recent Android version. If the option still does not appear after updating it, it likely means your device does not currently support Snapchat's ultra-wide camera feature. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.